Star delta starter. In star delta starter, we will be having three contactors C1, C2, C3, and we will be having one overload relay. That is this overload relay we are using. One timer. Timer is this timer we will be using. Correct? So in any case, whether it is star or delta, two contactors will be working. In those two contactors also, C1 will be common. If along with C1 we are getting C2, then motor will be running in star, not star, delta. C1, C2. C1, C2, star. If we are connecting C1 and if C1 and C3 are on, motor will be running in delta. Our requirement is initially motor should start in star and after 6 to 8 seconds motor should change over to delta. We will see whether it will be working or not. Please switch on. Yellow. See now motor is in star. See, you can see by lamp load brilliancy is very low. It means a voltage applied to this is less. In star voltage will be 230 volt. Now it is changed over to delta. You can see by brilliancy is full. So motor is changed over to delta. So main responsible changing over from star to delta is this timer. See, this timer takes care of changing from star to delta. Right? So this was about star delta starter. So in this star delta starter, along with this control circuit, you can connect. You can see defectation also. If any defect comes in star delta circuit, how to rectify it. Right?